Hi, class. I just wanted to check in because I was doing the sex histories today and then reading the female sexual anatomy book, or not book, excuse me, posts. And it just made me think about how little women's health has been kind of covered, represented, how little we've learned. We've come a long way in the last, I don't know, 50 years, but there was a long time when women's bodies weren't even really in the medical kind of industry. They were just basing everything on men's bodies. And so that's one issue. So I wanted to share with you Our Bodies, Ourselves, which is a really great historical book that's been republished after years and years, but it's from the late 60s, 1970, creation of a bunch of women who sat down and were like, we need to know about our bodies. And if you haven't heard of it, ask your ask a female adult elder in your family if they know about it, and I bet they do. And then the other book I wanted to share with you is this book, and it's called Gross Anatomy, and I hope you can see it. I know I could probably do something a little more professional, like send you a link to it, but it's called Gross Anatomy. And last semester in gender class, a student named Andrea brought it in for her. We did book reports, and it's just really funny, and it's a field guide to loving your body, warts and all. And I bought it for my daughter, who is now 18, and of course she laughed, but also was like, "Mom, you're so weird." So that's okay. I know I'm weird, but I just wanted to put these two books out there because there was a lot of talk on the posts about our bodies and the lack of kind of pride or openness or the ability to talk about it. What's down there, I guess you could say. And so I'd like to smash that if I could throughout the course of the semester and have you guys thinking about your bodies proudly and interestedly, and all bodies, all bodies, and that we can have open conversations. And so that is my wish. And this is just one little thing I felt like saying to you. There's no assignment attached to it. Just check out a book if you feel like it and learn something and laugh and enjoy. And I will see you on the posts because we're going to talk about male bodies this week, which is always fun too. All right, take good care. Bye.